Would you rather have the ability to breathe in space or survive without food? Would you rather have the ability to heal any physical injury instantly or heal any emotional pain? Would you rather have the ability to understand any animal's thoughts or have the ability to communicate with ghosts? Would you rather be able to change the past or predict the future? Would you rather have the ability to stop time for 10 seconds or slow time down to half its speed? Would you rather have the power to control the weather or the power to control luck? Subscribe and like for more Would You Rather.